Sorry, I had to stop really quick. I got distracted. Okay, so then we're gonna do tandelia. We put in some oil. We're gonna add some of the garlic, the rest of the garlic that we diced up earlier for this. It's gonna be very garlicky meal tonight. It should be good. Maybe some salt. Pepper. And I've been the potatoes I've been moving from boil to simmer to boil to simmer. Not at a specific frequent intervals. It's just as soon as I see it boiling, I'll just switch it back to simmer. Kind of forget about them, do whatever I'm working on now, and then go back to it. Let's see. Let me give these a little bit of a color. And our oven's already preheated, so we're basically almost ready to go. Put everything in. The last thing I'm gonna do is cook up the last thing I'm gonna do is cook up the steak. Here goes our asparagus. This one I am going to close up all the way. So again, we have the fish open. We're going to have this closed. And I'm going to dump all this. I'm going to start working on the potatoes. And I think we're basically set. So here we go. This goes in the oven for 20 minutes at 400, and then let's work on our potatoes.